Hi there! Do you think you're a football expert?
How many La Liga teams can you recognize?
Guess the team right by the jersey to get 2 points. Spot if the jersey is the home or away jersey to score a bonus point.
Each question brings you face to face with another Spanish team.
So keep track of your points through the whole season to discover your ranking at the end. Be sure to stay until recovery time. A bonus question will possibly improve your score and make you the next champion. Are you up to the task? Let's check it out. Ready, go!
Good job, you've gotten to the final La Liga level.
So, how many points did you score? Did you avoid relegation and save your place in the league for the next season? Or maybe you even qualified for Europa League or UEFA Champions League? But most of all, are you the new champion? If yes, congratulations!
If you didn't make it all the way, don't worry. This is your recovery time, and it comes with a bonus question worth 3 points. This could turn everything around. Ready? Who was the top scorer of the 24-25 La Liga season? So, how did your final score turn out? Tell us in the comments and stay tuned for the next challenge. See you next time. Bye!